Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Tonight for supper, I am making one of my family's favorite meals. It is peppered steak, so easy but so delicious. And I am doubling the recipe. My son John chose this. It is his birthday dinner tonight. He is a big 48. So, take some steak. This is actually round steak. I know it's a tougher cut of meat, but it cooks up so tender. I cube it, and doubling the recipe, I have 2 pounds that I have cubed, and I have put it in a big pot with a little bit of oil and browned it. Now I have salt and peppered this to taste, and since my family does not like onions, I add a little bit of minced onion to it, and I've added some garlic. Now I have browned this, and you see there's some liquid in there. That's okay, don't drain it because it makes a beautiful gravy. Now I am going to add, since I'm doubling it, 2 cans of sliced stewed tomatoes and 4 cans of beef consomme soup. And this is a bell pepper that I have chopped up coarsely. So I'm adding that all to the pot. This is so easy and so good. Now you can use any cut of beef you prefer. Even stew meat would work. But the round steak is a little less expensive, but it cooks up so tender. So I've got everything in the big pot here. I'm going to mix it up, and I am going to put a lid on it, and I'm going to simmer this for a good hour. So that's what it looks like right now. Now those stewed tomatoes and peppers will really cook down to just little tiny pieces. And if you don't like stewed tomatoes, you could use diced tomatoes. You don't have to add bell pepper. You can omit that if you want. So here it is, and I have just thickened it up with a little cornstarch in some water and added that to the pot just to make a nice gravy. Look at the beautiful rich color of this. Lisa's doing the stirring here. But it is a beautiful shade of red with those stewed tomatoes, and the bell pepper has really just cooked down to nothing. You can just see little pieces of that. And the meat is so tender. And I just serve it over some white rice. And you can use any kind of rice you like. And it's so good. So I hope you give this recipe a try, and I will have it in my description box below. So, you guys have a good day. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye for now.